Alright guys, here's the before. Tub, shower. We're going to make one large shower here, his and her. Alright folks, so here we are, completely demoed. We got the shower pan all built, hot mopped, 2 new drains. The water has been sitting for about 3 days now, just to confirm that there is no leaks. Another great feature that we've added is a nice bench. We're going to add a couple of shampoo niches on the his and her. 2 shower valves with a handheld spray. What's great about the way we position these is as you're sitting here on the bench, you have access to get to that handheld spray. We're actually going to tile all the way up to the ceiling here, and the ceiling's about 10 feet high. Anyhow folks, just wanted to go ahead and give you the visual of where we're at right now, and we'll get back to you here as soon as we make some more progress.
Baby.
So here we are, day 3. As you can see, we're putting this beautiful Carrara white marble tile on the walls here. The niches, we're going to go ahead and go with an octagon type mosaic, and it's going to be that look right there. So anyhow, just wanted to take time out and just kind of show you the stage of where we're at now, and looking forward to giving you what it's going to look like afterwards.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. Alright, we're putting the shower doors up today. We've got Robert, our master shower glass door guy, who does an amazing job. Alright folks, well, we are completely done. So I wanted to go ahead and just take a moment and kind of give you some of the features of this particular bathroom that we've completed. First off, we went ahead and added a tower here that offers a lot more storage. It also gives it a separation between the his and her vanity. The other thing is we got a lot of storage on it. As you can see here, our customer wanted a lot of drawers for extra storage, so we went ahead and maximized the storage space. As you can see here, we've got a quartz countertop that blends in well with the tile that we picked out here. And then, speaking of color, what we did is we took this wall here and we painted it a little darker, an accent color. And if you go to this wall right here, we did a lighter version of it. Okay, so it offers just a little bit more of a custom feel to the bathroom. The other thing is the lighting. These are pretty bright. They wanted some bright lights, but at nighttime, what you can do here is hit the switch and give it a nightlife feature here. And then moving over here, we went ahead and matched the Moen brushed nickel faucets with the actual shower valve. As you can see here, I really love this shower valve because it again has everything within this space here. It allows you to divert from the handheld to the shower head. The other feature is as you're sitting here, you can actually reach for the handheld spray and utilize it in this fashion here. So that's a nice feature. And then moving over here to the shampoo niches, this actually worked out really, really well for our clients. Again, on her and his side here. Okay. And then our amazing custom door. This is actually 8 feet wide. So what we did is we used a brushed nickel frame here and then put a swinging door right in the middle. Anyhow folks, Hopefully you like this. As always, thanks for watching.